Supercat talk about the buckle incident at Sting.
Yo, me will shut a man in our crowd. If I'm on the next back up, I'm shut a man in our crowd.
I'm just saying, man, you got a rinse, not even close up here, right? Not even giving you time for rinse, nothing up here. So when I realized what was going on, I realized and saw where the buckle come from. I just take on a little man who fling the buckle right away and at him. And it missed. And look a little girl in her head.
With the battle. And your gun pan you. Did you have a gun on you?
Yes, man, I have heavy metal pan me because swallow feel at the buckle feel, and if them couldn't hear, them would have feel. So that morning when it licked the little girl, I never feel so proper, so I go in at them ants nest, go visit them. To make them know, so you see the day on the figure, so you can't come fling buckle pan I and disrespect I. And some boy attack wicked. Man pay the price for it, man. To make them know, say, hey. You
visited them after that?
Yes, man. I visit them at the man's nest, man. In the morning, man. I mean, everyone say, watch here, see me? I take short circuit from boy around here. So I'm not careful to come from Concrete Jungle. I'm not careful to come from Tivoli Yard now. I'm not come from Rima. The day when the stone Maxi Priest, a man who the London tabloid take up the paper and think the tabloid from London like to take up the paper and see that their big #1 artist, Maxi Priest, was stoned in Jamaica. I'll tell you something. I want to know that I'm embarrassing the Jamaica education program.